Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Elisha Fatihamitia Mama Yusof and my matrix number is 221240400. Fast fashion is a word used to describe the business model used by the apparel industry, which involves mass-producing affordable high-fashion designs and current catwalk trends in large quantities while meeting brisk retail demand. It brings low prices to stores and is characterized as affordable, attractive clothing that is marketed to the general public. Fast fashion is made possible by improvements in supply chain management across merchants. To have a basic understanding of the market, we can apply the ideas of supply and demand. We can start by thinking about the supply side. The market supply side of the fast fashion sector can be represented diagrammatically. Consumers enjoy the low cost and quick gratification of fast fashion. Affordable costs and rapid pleasure for customers increase the profitability for businesses, and democratization of fashionable clothing are all advantages of fast fashion. I will pass to the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum and hello. My name is Nur Aina Shafiqa binti Ramli from 22A. My matric number is 221240372. Fast fashion is characterized as a low-cost, trendy apparel that quickly responds to the public demand by incorporating concept from the catwalk into garments sold in high street outlets. The main issue of the fast fashion is low wages and unsafe working conditions. Retailer and fast fashion brands are seeking for the lower cost production in order to boost their profit and to satisfy their customer need. Manufacturers maintain poor pay and hazardous working condition. The second is a material waste. This can cause a waste because people tend to throw away their clothes to get the new one. The supply chain issue is another difficulty with fast fashion. For instance, the issue enjoys forced labor, which works against their will. They also face underpaying wages. Last but not least, fast fashion has issue at work since its supplier cannot be following labor law, which can result in poor pay or no health coverage. Suppliers are having issue with the supply chain because they might be breaking the law of underage or forced law. That is all from me. I will pass the presentation to the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum and a very good day to you, Doctor. My name is Afka Masara and my matrix number is 2212425590 from 22A. So today I will be presenting about the analysis of demand and supply of fast fashion. According to the table that I include in the slides, which have two curves in order to better explain about our topic. The first curve is about the demand and supply, where there is market equilibrium happens at point E, which is price 1 and quantity of 2 units, where when the demand and supply are intersect. A market price below than price 1 will cause shortage to occur as consumer will demand the products. Thus, quantity demanded is higher than quantity supply. Contrarily to the shortage, which is surplus, it will happen if the quantity supply is higher than the quantity demanded. Moving on with the demand and supply effect market equilibrium curve. As supply expanded, so did the demand for more reasonably priced clothing in the newest design and trends. With a highly elastic demand and a preference for quantity over quality, fast fashion companies like Zara, H&M and Topshop have significantly increased the supply, which has caused a decline in fast fashion industry prices. The ability of businesses to increase their supply and cut input costs. Figure 2 shows that there is more enterprise entered the market and supply kept increasing, prices kept falling and quantity demanded kept rising. In reaction to this, the supply curve has moved to the right. a new equilibrium point will still show a drop in price and a rise in quantity in this situation. So I think that's all for my part.
I am Kashni Naya Sivakumaran, metric number 221240291. Okay, going to explain about finding and solution that we found in demand and supply of fast fashion. First of all, advanced technology is the best finding to improvise financial of a company to a stable condition. It could reduce labor force by reduce the energy of workers, and it also will reduce the burden on workers because most of it uses machines. Secondly, increase demand for quality and reduce brand loyalty. It because once limited to a handful of labels and often remain loyal to specific brands, the same customer in order will gain the market share. By doing this, consumer will be wiser in choosing fashion brands that quality over quantity and create awareness for fashion to maintain the standard on order to complete the brands. Thirdly, demand for personalization. It's because most of customer access by information via internet and consumer well known and interest in supporting companies that reflect their style and personality. In conclusion, we summarize that fashion industry is undergoing massive changes. From the analysis and discussion, we have provided two demand and supply curve to better show and how the equilibrium happens in demand and supply of fast fashion products. It emphasizes the disparity in both market demand and the fulfillment of product and services. Thank you.